Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn multi-dimensional arrays. So, see, creating a particular elements in arrays and reading in arrays with the help of the position and where the location of array is important. So, very simply, we are going to creating like an array with the multi-dimensional position. Let's see first. For this, I am going to taking like a string. Alphabets I'm going to taking. So letters, yes, letters of like a 2 rows and 4 columns we are going to define. For this, how we can like a 2 rows and one more is a 4 columns. If it is a one more, it is there in your array, you can define it. This way you can go 2 by 2 matrices. How it is in this way, I'm going to implementing this particular scenario. Now open and end curly braces. Here you can add it one more first a row, okay, and here you can add for column A, second for B, comma, and C and D, and the second row, sorry, here we can take a comma and second row we can put it like next letters E, comma, F, G, yes, G after G, just a minute, take a H. So 2 rows are there with the 4 columns, and with the help of 2 independent objects like a block of code we have prepared for row wise and columns we are defined. At the end we can put it is a terminator. So arrays are created successfully. Now how to read these arrays? How to read these arrays? Arrays are created 2 by 2 matrices, like how it is 2 by 4 matrices it is. That's it. 2 rows and 4 columns. The same way, reading of this array is also super easy to identify the position. That's it. So array name first, letters, letters of, and square braces. Oh, sorry, yes, square braces. First at the position 0th row, like 0th row, first position, if I want to like how the positions of index positions we have seen, no, 0th row and first column, 0th row second column. Based on the indexes wise, we need to read this particular indexes like ENDL, end of the line. Yes, save it and let's see first 0 of 1, what is the character we are getting in the output, we will see, and in the next attention we will go. So 0th row we are getting like a 1 means like a B. See, 0th row 1 means like a B character, like a index position of B means 0 1. If it is 0 0 we will get A. Let's check it. 0 0. If I reading like a 0th row 0th position of index A. So 0th of 1, it is going to be like a B. And similarly, take a copy of this statement, and from second row, how you can read it? First row, like this one, like this is the row, and the value we can take 1 means F we will get, or else if I want to get like some number, if I want to change to 2, what is the value? I'll get G. Okay, let's see. So you need to understand while implementing and writing the code. So BG from 1 and 2 rows. So reading of this particular area of a multi-dimensional array by creating and reading are super easy. Try to practice with more characters and more number of array elements added, like number of rows and columns. That would be give you like more understanding how simple, easy to approach a array in C++. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.